to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing.
Hi guys, welcome back to Fergie's Kitchen. If you happen to just be browsing and you ran into my channel, please like and subscribe and welcome. And to all my FK gang, welcome back. Alright, so as you know, the holiday is up on us and everyone is making their own fruit cakes. I'm gonna skip from my tradition fruit cake and I'll be, you know, we keep things interesting around here. So I'll be making something from the Wales. So I'm making a Welch's fruit cake. As you know, every country have their own fruit cakes. I like to explore. So here's my ingredients for today. This is self-rising flour, brown sugar. I'll be using bourbon and some Concord grape, which is not in the recipe. I'm just adding these. And here are my fruits: eggs, milk powder. I'm going to use it to make milk. Extra fruits, cherries. This is a brandy, butter, ginger. That's not in it. Or rose water, that's not in it also, with baking soda and some allspice. And that's my ingredients that I'm working with, and I'll see you in a moment. So happy holidays. Okay guys, coming over to the pot. In this pot, I'll be adding 2 cups of dry fruit. And guys, this is called a boiled fruit cake, all right? I'm gonna add 1 cup of brown sugar and a cup of butter, which is 2 of these sticks make a cup. And guys, I'm gonna bring this to a boil, and you guys will see the next step. I'll show you what it looks like in a minute. Okay guys, now that the butter is melted and the sugar, you bring it to a boil on medium heat. And you see how slowly it's bubbling and stirring occasionally for the next 2 minutes, all right? Okay, now guys, the next step. By the way, you put your fruits to slightly cool after 2 minutes on the stove top. So while it's being cooled, I'm gonna save my dry ingredients. This is 4 cups of self-rising flour, and I'm sieving my flour with 1 teaspoon of baking soda and 1 teaspoon of allspice. To this, I'm gonna add 1/8 of a teaspoon of ginger powder. And this step is very important, guys. You have to sieve your flour, all right? And I'll see you guys for the next step. Okay guys, now I'm gonna add the ingredients and the wine to the mixture with the egg. So this is 2/3 a cup of bourbon mixed with wine. To this I'm gonna add 1 cup of milk. Pinch of rose water, maybe a teaspoon. And I'm gonna slowly add my flour. To this, I'm gonna go in with 2 eggs beaten. Let's fold this in, guys. Okay guys, with a 3-inch baking can, grease with your parchment paper at the bottom. This actually is not a 3-inch because I don't have an exact measurement of a 3-inch. So guys, here I'm gonna put this in for an hour and a half. Remember, until you put your scooter in the middle and it comes out sticky free, so you know that it's ready. And I'll see you guys then. Okay guys, we're at the end of another segment, and I'm here to present my Welch's boiled fruit cake. And I hope you guys enjoy. I hope you guys enjoy it. I'm dying to cut into it. As you know, I feed the body, the mind, the heart, and the soul, and it starts to feed the soul. And today's scripture will be coming from 1 Corinthians 16, verse 13. Be watchful, stand firm in your faith, be courageous, and be strong. And from Fergie's Kitchen to you guys today, chase your passion, not your tension. Alright guys? Remember the reason for the season. Thank you guys for watching today. Happy holiday. Fergie loves you. Bye bye.